The 5 best budgeting apps for Android and iOS. If you've ever wondered where your money disappears at the end of the month, you're not alone. Whether you're saving for a trip, paying off debt, or just trying to stop overspending on takeout, a good budgeting app can help you take control of your finances without spreadsheets or stress. In this video, we're revealing the 5 best budgeting apps for Android and iOS. These tools help you track expenses, set goals, and manage your money like a pro right from your phone. Let's go from number 5 to number 1, and trust me, the top app has helped millions finally feel in control of their finances. 5 Tros, Pocket Guard. Kicking off the list is Pocket Guard, the app that shows you exactly how much you can safely spend. Its standout feature is In My Pocket, which calculates your income, your bills, your savings goals, and tells you how much is left for guilt-free spending. You can link your bank accounts, track subscriptions, and categorize your spending automatically. Perfect for people who don't want to dive too deep into finance but still want to stay on budget without overthinking it. It's free with optional upgrades and available on both Android and iOS. 4.8 Good Budget. Next up is Good Budget, based on the classic envelope system but made digital. Instead of linking to your bank, you manually input your income and assign money into envelopes for each category: groceries, rent, entertainment, etc. This method helps you be intentional with every dollar. Avoid overspending. Stick to limits you've set in advance. It's a great app for couples too, since you can sync across multiple devices. Good Budget is ideal for anyone who prefers a hands-on, zero-based budgeting approach and doesn't mind entering transactions manually. 3 Mint. At number 3 is Mint, one of the most downloaded and trusted budgeting apps in the US. Mint connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments to give you a complete financial picture. With Mint, you can set custom budget categories, track spending in real time, get alerts for unusual transactions, see your credit score for free. It's user-friendly, visually clean, and completely free. While it does include some ads and product recommendations, the value you get is undeniable. If you're just starting your budgeting journey and want automation, Mint is a smart first step. 2 YNAB. You need a budget. Coming in at number 2 is YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, and it's more than an app, it's a full-on money philosophy. YNAB helps you give every dollar a job, budget based on what you already have, not future income. Build savings and eliminate debt intentionally. The app focuses on behavioral change, not just tracking, and that's why users often report huge results after just a few months. It's subscription-based, but with a free trial and a massive online community. If you're serious about transforming how you manage money, YNAB is one of the most powerful tools available. $1. Every dollar. And taking the number 1 spot is Every Dollar, created by financial expert Dave Ramsey. Every Dollar uses a zero-based budgeting system where every dollar has a place, whether it's bills, savings, or fun money. What makes it shine? An intuitive drag-and-drop interface, simple, goal-focused budgeting, ability to link bank accounts for automatic tracking, premium. You can use it for free manually or upgrade for features like bank sync and reports. Every Dollar is especially popular among people following the debt-free or baby steps journey, but its clarity and ease make it useful for anyone. So, which app fits your money style? Choose Pocket Guard for simple spending control. Use Good Budget if you love hands-on envelope planning. Try Mint for full automation and big picture views. Go with YNAB if you want to completely change how you budget. And for ease, power, and purpose, Every Dollar is the best all-around budgeting app right now. Which budgeting app do you use, or which one will you try next? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you get closer to financial freedom, don't forget to give it a like.